solving for x. My life's work. It's good work. More than one way to go about this, but one way, if you have a proportion, is to cross multiply, since we have exactly one fraction on each side. That's 4 times 20 equals 9 times x, not familiar. 80 equals 9 times something, still not familiar. We would reverse multiplication with division. We would reduce our answer if we could. That is, we'd cancel a common factor between 80 and 9, but they are relatively prime. So our answer is just 80 ninths. Or you could say that it's 8 and 8 ninths, but 80 ninths will do. Let's have another proportion. We could cross multiply, since we have only one fraction on each side. That's 7 times x equals 9 times 56. When we do, 9 times negative 56 is negative 504. Divide by 7, we've got negative 72, our answer. Of course, these values we could check. If we wanted to check, we'd plug it back into the original statement, and we would make sure that we had a constant ratio. If you plug negative 72 in over here, that would give us a ratio 0.7777, which of course is the same thing that we would see on the left. Okay.